Hello everyone and welcome back to Advent with Emilee. My name is Emilee and this month we are going through the NYX Advent calendar every single day using the product of the day to create a new look, and I'm doing a tutorial to go alongside it. So today's product is the NYX Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream in the shade Copenhagen. As you can see, it's this gorgeous like slightly metallic red shade. It's gorgeous. It's like a very nice rich cranberry red. I really like it. So if you would like to see how I did this look using the lip cream, then make sure you carry on watching. Make sure you go and check out all my other videos. I've put a lot of effort into this series. It's mildly killing me, but like, that's fine. It's fine. And go and check out my TikTok if you like TikToks. I've been doing daily TikToks as well. And my Instagram. I've been putting up pictures on my Instagram every single day of all the looks. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, make sure you give it a like and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. So today's look, I just wanted it to be really simple, easy to do, and I really wanted to use this palette that I got from Sleek. They sent me it in my first ever PR package from Sleek, which I am so appreciative of. And this is the colour Carnage palette, which you think from looking at the outside of the packaging it's going to be like insanely bright colours and just, you know, not very wearable, but there's actually some really pretty colours in here. Like, as you can see, most of these colours are actually really wearable. Other than maybe like the blue and the purple, all of these colours are pretty much like staple colours. Already primed my eyes and I'm just going to go with more of like a neutral look, and I think I'm going to use a bit of the green, the shimmery green as well, just to make it a tiny bit festive. So as you can see, I've already primed my eyes and I'm going to go in with shade 2, which is this like colour here. When I was younger, I always wanted Sleek eyeshadow palettes. Like, that was just like the in thing that everyone was talking about on YouTube, and I don't remember how much they were. Maybe they're like $8.99. And I always wanted one, but obviously as a kid, $8.99 is quite a bit of money. So to be on Sleek's PR list and get one of these eyeshadow palettes, my inner like 12-year-old was just like so happy. I mean, my outer 20-year-old was also very happy because I love Sleek as a brand. I've always loved Sleek. I've used Sleek since I started doing makeup when I was 12 years old, so as you can imagine, it's a big deal for me to be on their PR list because like it's recognition from a brand that I've loved for so long. Their contour kit is my absolute favourite. I've hit pan on both shades and I'm just such a cheapskate. I don't want to go and buy another one when I've got other contour palettes in my collection. So that's why I don't use it a lot, because I'm like rationing the ends of it. The Sleek contour kit in light is just my favourite. But yeah, I'm just packing this through my crease in like a circular shape. Again, just a bit above the crease when you look forwards. And then just going in with a clean brush, and I'm going in with shade 1, 2, 3, 4, which is slightly lighter and kind of like a bit brighter of an orange shade. And I'm mixing it with this yellow shade as well. So yeah, I didn't upload a video yesterday. I was just, honestly, I was exhausted. And a lot of people have been really understanding on here. Like, I am so appreciative of everyone who watches these videos and leaves comments. Even if you don't leave comments and you just watch the videos, I'm so appreciative. Yeah, I'm just like buffing out the edges using these two shades. Like, it honestly means so much to me that anyone even watches my video once a week, never mind every single day, and then leaves really nice comments every day. I'm so appreciative. So when people were being really nice in the comments saying, it's alright if you need to take a day off, I was like, no, it's fine. I committed to this. I'm great. I can do this. And then yesterday I ended up, I was at the doctor's because I was getting my flu jab, and it just hit me like a ton of bricks. I was so exhausted after getting my flu jab. I was planning on getting it, coming home, being fine, filming like usual. Didn't quite go to plan. I passed out, as in like sleeping, and I was just exhausted. So I was late in my bed all evening just watching films. I don't think I really even watched the films because I was so shattered. yeah, so that's why I didn't film a video. I was literally sat in my bed all evening, in and out of sleep. So yeah, I'm really sorry. I will be using that product in tomorrow's video, so don't worry if you do have the calendar. I will be using that product in tomorrow's video. It's just I didn't put another video up, so I am sorry, but the product will still be used. I'd like to say thank you to everyone who's been really, really nice. Just thank you. Honestly, it means more to me than you'd think, just the fact that people watch my videos, never mind like commenting and actually really enjoying them. It honestly, it makes me so happy. Like I had someone comment that they watched my videos with their niece, so hello if you're watching, it's nice to meet you. And yeah, honestly, it just makes me so happy that people are enjoying these videos. I know they're not getting that many views. I think they're getting about 50 views on average each, but I don't really care. I more just care about the fact that people are enjoying them. Like the fact people are enjoying them, I'd rather have like 3 people enjoy it and have 50 people watch it than have thousands of people watch it and no one really like it, you know? And then just cleaning my brush off, I didn't say, on this little makeup cloth. I have one that I literally just wipe all my brushes off on, and it really needs washing, but I just wipe the excess off. It's like a shadow switch. And then I'm just going to buff over the edges just to blur it out. I kind of put myself like under this pressure. No one else puts me under this pressure, and I think if I don't create like the most colourful, cool looks, that I'm a failure. And I know I'm not, and I know most people don't wear crazy colourful looks, so it's not as if I'm like letting anyone down. And everyone who watches my videos is super, super nice, as I just said. So I don't know where I get this idea that I need to like make the most insane looks up every single time I do a video. Because sometimes a nice little neutral look is really nice. And, you know, I'm embracing it. Yeah, these shadows are actually I'm really shaky as well. Yesterday I was trying to eat a mushroom pie I got from M&S on sale. And every time I got a piece of pastry on my fork, my hand would shake so much like this, the pastry would fall off the fork. So it took me like half an hour to eat a tiny little pie because it just kept falling off my fork, and it was so sad. And I'm trying to eat like this vegan cauliflower bake. It's, by the way, so good. If you want the cauliflower bake from M&S Plant Kitchen, get it. It is incredible. We bought 2 and I ate like a whole one to myself. It was amazing. What was I saying? But yeah, every time I was trying to eat it, my hand was just like this, and I was like, come on, come on. I was like staring it down like, please, you can make it to my mouth. But yeah, I've not been too good yesterday, so that's why there was no video, but I'm feeling a tiny bit better today. I'm still quite shaky. I don't really know why. I don't think it's anxiety, because I'm not anxious about anything, I don't think. Like, in my brain I'm not anxious about anything. I don't like feel sick with anxiety like I usually do. It doesn't feel like usual anxious symptoms. But then I'm shaky, and when I try and go to sleep I can hear my heart beating so loud that I can't sleep because it's literally so loud. It literally feels like someone's drumming in my ears and in my chest. It's like terrible. That could just be because I'm tired, because those things happen when I'm tired as well. Got a nice little blend there. I'm really liking these shadows, as I said. There's quite a bit of kickback in the brown shade, but other than that, they're really, really nice. They blend really, really well. I'm going to take a bit more of the brown shade and I'm going to mix it with the deeper, more cool toned brown shade as well. I'm just going to pack this into the outer corner. But yeah, I changed my bedding round. If you didn't see my room tour, this is actually double-sided bedding, and I got it because I love hedgehogs. They're little tiny like festive hedgehogs. And that's why I got the palette, not the palette, the bedding. And I just finally decided to put it on hedgehog side. I was like, I'm in full festivities, I'm putting it on the hedgehog side, and I'm so in love with it. Like, they are so cute. I just love it. So I'm going to go in with the yellow gold, which is this one here. It's like a shimmer. And I'm just going to take this on a dry brush to begin with. I just realised it's going along with a really warm lip. I don't know if this is actually going to go. I did not think this through. I was going to do like a nice cool toned look. Oops. Oh well. If it doesn't go, it doesn't go. Yeah, I'm going to go in with the first shade, which is shade 1, which is this one. I'm just going to go over this to to make it a bit more, you know, neutral. But yeah, so I got my flu jab yesterday because I have asthma, which has been also flaring up at the moment, which it's just not a great time. It's a great time of year, but it's not a great time of year health wise. So yeah, that's been really fun. And I also have ME, so like if I get a cold, it's as if I have the flu. Like it literally affects me like the flu. So if I get the flu, we're just not going to talk about it. Like we don't want that to happen basically. So I'm not getting the flu. It's not going to happen because I think I like not literally would die, but like I would like, you know, on a level die. Go in with this, oh my voice just broke. I'm going to go in with this liner. This is from the brand Esquido. So they contacted me and wanted to send me some liners. So I got the black one and the brown one. I think I'm going to go in with the brown one today. These are like gel liners. I've heard of Esquido. I think it's from Samantha Ravendall. Love her. If you've not checked out her channel, you need to. But I'm pretty sure that's how I've heard of the brand before. Yeah, so this is like, it comes in plastic packaging, but it's like a twist up pencil, which is kind of cool. But yeah, I'm going to put this in my waterline, and I'm also going to smudge it along my upper lash line a bit. Just, you know, see how it performs. I really, really like brown liners. Like brown liners are probably my favourite. Just because they're a bit more subtle than black, but they still give a lot of definition. And obviously I've got blue eyes, so I feel like brown eyeliner always makes my eyes look really blue. But yeah, this is really, really creamy feeling so far. Especially going on top of like eyeshadow, it's really, really creamy. That's a really, really nice shade of brown as well. So I'm gonna just blend this out. It's just like it's a really nice, not cool toned brown, not warm toned brown, but like, it looks warmer toned in my waterline, and it looks more cooler toned on my lash line. I don't know how that works, but it really makes my eyes look a lot bluer. Like, I don't know if you can tell the difference, but I really like this pencil. So yeah, I actually really like this pencil. It's really soft and it's quite creamy, but it's a gel formula, which is generally the kind that I like. I used to love the Avon Super Shock, but Avon isn't cruelty free, so I've not repurchased that, but these are really nice. Again, they're cruelty free. The packaging is just very luxe. I'm not sure how much these are. I think they're about £15, $16 kind of. But yeah, I really, really like this pencil. As you can see, it went on really creamy. I've blended this side, I've not blended this side, so it does blend really well. I'll let you know in tomorrow's video how it lasts on the waterline, but I really like it. And as I said, I love brown liners, so yeah, this is a good brown liner. My neighbours seem to just really enjoy drilling today. I mean this month, not today, just started today. But yeah, there's more drilling. I'm sorry. I don't think the Santa truck's going to go past again. I think that's just like a one-time thing, which I'm really sad about because I love seeing the Santa truck. I'm 20 and I still love seeing the Santa truck. I don't care if you think it's childish, I like it. I'm going to use the Thin Lizzy foundation and concealer again, just to, you know, test it out, see what it's about. I really liked this in the other video, so I'm going to try it out. Again, comes with a pump. I use shade Angel, and I'm actually just going to pump it onto my face because why not? Oh god, that's a lot. I don't need that much. Oops. I like squeezed it and I pumped it at the same time. I wouldn't recommend doing that. I did really like this foundation. It just oxidizes. Like, as you can see, it's already darker than when it went on. And it went on 3 seconds ago. But yeah, nice and lightweight feeling, but it's still got a decent coverage. It's by no means full coverage. It's like a good medium, which I enjoy. I don't like a full coverage. Yeah, it's definitely oxidized. I don't like a full coverage. I feel like, for me, that's just a bit too much. I don't like the heavy feeling on my skin. I like when you can get coverage but it still looks kind of skin-like. Obviously foundation isn't going to look skin-like, it's foundation. But you know what I mean. You know what I mean. This is a bit dark, but I'm also going to powder, and I'm going to use this Revolution one. I've actually really been liking it. As you will know if you've watched me for a while, my absolute favourite powder of all time since I was literally 12 years old is the Rimmel Stay Matte, and that's not cruelty free. Rimmel, sort it out. But this one is, you know, it's coming close. It's really good. I'm an oily girl. I'm a dehydrated, oily skinned person, which means I have really dry, kind of scabby skin, which is really gross. But it produces so much oil because it's dehydrated. So I need a powder that's not gonna like really dry my skin out, but that's gonna make sure my oils are taken care of. And this powder really does that. I'm really impressed. I got it in the Black Friday sales for like £2. So for the lower lash line, I'm literally just going to go in with a bit of the brown shade and just smoke it along my lower lash line, just to kind of add to the smoky brown liner. This is honestly one of my go-to looks back in the day. I used to do brown liner in the waterline, a bit of like a warm colour in my crease. I'd smoke the lower lash line out with a cool tone brown, and I just put a shimmer on the lid with like loads of mascara. So this is honestly one of my favourite looks that I used to do. I'm just going to apply lots of mascara because I don't really want to put lashes on today, I'm not going to lie. I'm not in the mood. Also, by the way, I am going to be putting a video up with like my full base routine included in the video soon. So if you want to know like all the products that I use on my face when I just cut the camera, then stay tuned. I love a clumpy lash. I don't know if it's just me, but there's something about like a smoky brown lower lash line and a clumpy lash. Love it. But yeah, the lip colour. I'm going to apply the lip colour. It matches my top. This is the Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream in Copenhagen. I don't know if it's going to match, but we're going to make it match. So yeah, this is the finished look with the lip colour on. It's definitely set down a bit more now. I was very, very sceptical as to whether it was going to like set down. It's much more of a subtle metallic than the liquid suede. It's not like, if you look at it like on my lips, it's not like, wow, that's metallic. It's like just got a subtle kind of sheen to it that gives it a bit more dimension than a typical red lip, which I really, really like. It doesn't feel too drying either. I've got an eyelash. It doesn't feel too drying either, and this is it without a lip liner. So it's quite opaque actually for a metallic lip cream. But yeah, I really, really like this colour. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and leave me a comment what you're doing this Sunday, because I would love to know what you're doing on this fine Sunday evening. And yeah, I will see you tomorrow hopefully. If not, then I'm really sorry, but fingers crossed tomorrow I will be back with a bang. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.